What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making gnocchi.
All right, y'all, we made a pack of instant potatoes. To that, we're gonna add a cup of flour and then season it with some pepper and salt. And then we'll mix that up.
What you doing, silly guy?
So we went and kneaded that mixture of the mashed potatoes and the cup of flour till it's doughy consistency. And then we rolled it out into a log. And now we're just cutting it all into about inch wide pieces.
Once the water is boiling, we will go ahead and add our gnocchi. And when they are done cooking, they will float to the top, so you don't have to worry about setting a timer or anything. As the gnocchi start to float to the top, we're going to spoon them out with a slotted spoon into an oiled baking dish.
We got the gnocchi into our baking dish, so we're just gonna pour our jarred pasta sauce on top of it. And then we're gonna top it off with cheese. And then we'll broil it so the cheese gets nice and bubbly. Here we go. Make sure they get lots of cheese. Do you want to help, buddy? Can you put some cheese on there? Can you put some cheese on there? Nope, just want to eat it? Okay. Now we're good to go ahead and pop that into the oven.
We are just going to pull our gnocchi out now that the cheese has started to bubble up a bit. And then we will top it off with a little bit of fresh parsley. So we got it all dished up and we're ready to eat.
Thanks for watching.
Say bye. Say bye, guys. Good job.